Greetings! I'm Joanne and I'm thrilled to have you here for Sheet Leveler. Our video tutorials make working with Excel fast and convenient. This tutorial will show you how to count words in Excel. When you finish, you'll have the ability to count the exact number of words in your sheet. Are you ready to begin? If you need to find out the exact word count in a spreadsheet, Excel can do it, but the process is quite complicated. Several functions and formulas would need to be used together for the task. In this tutorial, we will explore an easier method to help you in most cases, rather than taking the more difficult route. To quickly and easily determine the number of words in a spreadsheet, we can use the Microsoft Word application. Let's begin. To begin, highlight the area you wish to check the word count of and copy it. Now we need to launch Microsoft Word. To insert the data you previously copied, press the Ctrl and V keys at the same time. This will paste the data into your Word document. To find out how many words are in the document, look on the left-hand side of the bottom bar, and that is. If you don't have access to Microsoft Word, there is an easier way to count words in Excel. Rather than doing it in a more complicated way directly in Excel, you can use wordcounter.net. All you have to do is paste the document into the website and you will get an accurate count of the words in your document. For direct link, you will find the link in the description. If you found this tutorial helpful, give the video a like. Is this your first time on me? I'll be more than happy to welcome you to our online community. Hit that subscribe button and join us. Learn how to use Excel like a boss. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.